superhero's gravity-defying pool would you pick for an out-of-this-world swim? An Amazonian anti-gravity pool sounds like a majestic experience. Time to decide. Which hero's speed power-up will make you the fastest on the slides? Time to decide. Which hero's surf simulator will give you the best waves for your fantasy water park? Would you rather have Flipper, Winter, or Echo as your water park's friendly pet dolphin? A dolphin with a special tail? That's truly unique. Which character's towel would you pick to dry off after a splashy day? A quick-dry towel sounds incredibly useful. Which pirate's ship will be the centerpiece of your water park splash zone? What would you pick? A swashbuckling pirate ship sounds like endless fun. Which Guardian of the Galaxy's bubble machine would you choose for maximum bubbly fun? A hilariously serious bubble machine from Drax sounds like an unexpected laugh. Would you rather change in a robot room, a car room, or a dreamhouse room? A transforming robot changing room? That's next level. Would you rather splash around in Owen's Dino World, Blue's Raptor Zone, or the T-Rex's Roaring Realm? A mighty roar-filled water world from the T-Rex? That's intense! Which awesome VIP cabana would you choose to relax in after a fun day? A high-tech floating cabana sounds like the ultimate luxury. Which magical invisibility shield would you pick for sneaky water park adventures? An invisibility cloak shield sounds perfect for skipping lines. Which fairy tale character's swimsuit would you wear to your fantasy water park? Which one wins for you? A talking donkey swimsuit sounds like it would be full of jokes. Pick one. Mater's silly tube, Lightning's fast tube, or Sally's comfy cone tube. A comfy cone inner tube? Perfect for relaxing. Pick your mystery. Which magical fountain will you discover for your water park? Unbelievable! The secret beach fountain spouts endless amounts of glittery, rainbow-colored water that makes wishes come true. Which adventurous character's floating obstacle course would you conquer first? A tomb raiding obstacle course sounds like a real challenge. Which Speedy Friends vortex slide would give you the ultimate spin? A powerful punch vortex slide? That sounds intense. Which Sesame Street friend will provide the perfect soundtrack for your water park fun? A cookie munching beat sounds surprisingly catchy. Would you choose Doctor Who's TARDIS Tube, Bill Nye's Science Tube, or the magical surprise journey from Ms. Frizzle? The magical surprise journey from Ms. Frizzle takes you to the Waterpark of the Dinosaurs, where you can splash with friendly ancient creatures. Whoa, so cool! Pick one. Which super cool water jetpack will lift you high above the water park? A gooey slime water jetpack? That's wildly bizarre. Which underwater raft ride would you choose for an amazing journey in your water park? Dude, a super chill current raft ride sounds totally awesome. Would you rather splash in a banana wave pool, a muddy puddle pool, or a pineapple-themed one? A muddy puddle wave pool? That sounds hilariously messy. Pick one for your relaxing float. Dora's Adventure River, Buzz Lightyear's Cosmic Stream, or Elsa's Icy Wonderland? A zero-gravity space river? That's out of this world. Pick one. Which amazing secret cave would you love to discover in your water park? A wish-granting secret cave? I'd wish for endless slides. Which group of characters offers the most enchanting glowing gummy bears for your water park's treats? Bouncing, glowing gummy bears? That sounds like a party in your mouth. Would you rather explore a silly starfish city, a musical coral city, or a treasure-filled crab city? A treasure-filled crab city sounds like a great place for adventure. Which talking water toys would you want to play with at your water park? Let us know in the comments. A nervous but chatty dinosaur floaty sounds like it would tell the best stories. Which 100-acre wood friend would be the perfect mascot for your fun water park? A super bouncy tiger mascot would keep everyone laughing. Which undersea character's mermaid tail would you love to swim with at your water park? A mysterious Ursula sea witch tail sounds really cool, but maybe a little spooky. Which surprise super soaker would you pick for epic water battles at your water park? Whoa! The giant mech-powered water blaster can shoot a stream of water all the way across the park. That's awesome! Which amazing mega slide would you choose to kick off your water park adventure? Let us know in the comments. Wow, a loop-de-loop turbo slide sounds like an instant thrill. Which enchanted fountain would add the most magic to your fantasy water park? A thorny magical fountain from Maleficent sounds mysteriously intriguing. Which amazing robot would you trust to be the lifeguard at your water park? A cuddly, health-monitoring robot lifeguard sounds incredibly comforting. Which magical sunscreen would you choose to protect you from the sun's rays at your water park? A reality-bending sunscreen? What kind of wild tan would you get? Which Toy Story Friends transparent tunnel would you zoom through at your water park? Which musical artist's amazing disco pool will light up your water park for an unforgettable party? A show-stopping glittering pool sounds like the ultimate party. Time to decide. Which cool pair of goggles will protect your eyes at the water park? One-eyed monster goggles would definitely make a statement. Which Lion King-inspired water coaster calls to you for a thrilling ride? A Hakuna Matata coaster means no worries, right? Would you pick Hiccup's Viking boat, Astrid's Fierce boat, or the secret Night Fury surprise from Toothless? The secret Night Fury-inspired boat from Toothless can actually fly above the water, giving you an amazing view of the whole park. Wow! Which character's candy floss fountain would you choose for the sweetest water park treat? An ever-flowing candy floss fountain is a dream come true. Which Frozen character's floating island would you want to relax on at your water park? A Warm Hugs floating island sounds like the coziest place ever. Which princess's diving board would you bravely jump from first? A super long hair diving board sounds like a unique way to get a bounce. Time to decide, which enchanting treasure chest holds the best water park goodies for you? A pixie dust-filled chest? Imagine the magical splashes. Would you pick Stitch's smoothie stand, Moana's island snacks, or a secret from Maui? The secret from Maui was a giant, shimmering, fish-shaped ice cream cake. It's so big, everyone gets a piece. Which character's giant rubber duck would be your ultimate floating companion? A grumpy but cute duck sounds perfectly in character. Which Back to the Future character's flying skateboard would you shred on at your water park? A time-traveling flying skateboard? Imagine all the fun jumps through history. Which adorable character's cloud sun lounger sounds like the comfiest spot to chill? A puffy pink cloud sun lounger sounds absolutely dreamy. Which magical rainbow shower would you pick for your water park? Or the mystery surprise from Rainbow Dash? The mystery surprise from Rainbow Dash was a shower that instantly dries you off and gives you a sparkly rainbow glow. So cool! Which awesome locker would you choose to store your stuff at the water park? A futuristic flying locker? So cool! Which superhero splash zone would you pick for ultimate fun and adventure? What would you pick? A web slinger splash zone sounds like a sticky fun time. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.